Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 10 forgotten password with USB. So there are three options there. So first option is recommended one, use the password reset USB. But this only works if you created a password reset disk before you forgetting the password. So if you created that one, first you need to insert the USB password reset disk on your computer. Then after, on the login screen, you need to enter any password that you like. Then after, click OK option. Then after, you need to click reset password option. Then after, password reset wizard will be open. Then you need to select your USB drive from there. Then you can create new password that you remember. Then after, you can click on finish option. Then you can log in with the new password. This is the recommended option, but if you should have password reset USB for this. Second option is you should have Microsoft account to reset your password. This is the most common option. So first you need to find another computer to fix this one. Then after, open the browser on that computer. Then after, you need to go to https account.live.com/password reset option. Then in that menu you need to enter your email that you are used to enter that computer, that means your Microsoft email. Then after, you can enter at the forgot my password option. Then it asks for your verify to your identity. Then after, when you complete your identity option, you can create new password. Then you can connect your locked computer into the internet. Then after, you can restart your computer. Then you can log in with the new password that you have created for your Microsoft account. To work this method, you should have connect your computer with your Microsoft account. Otherwise, this will not work. So this is the method number 2. So the last method is you can use Windows Recovery USB to enter the fix the issue. So first, you need to download Windows Media Creation Tool. To do that, you need to open your browser, search for Windows 10 ISO, select the first option, that is Microsoft official website. It will open this kind of website, and you can download the Windows Media Creation Tool from here. It is around 18.6 megabytes. Wait for the download complete. Once it is downloaded, you can run it and choose create installation media option. Then select USB flash drive option. Then after, it will be automatically create the bootable USB drive using Windows 10. So it will take some time to download Windows 10 ISO file into your USB drive because it is around 4 gigabytes. So it depends on your internet connection. Once it is created, you can insert your USB drive into your locked computer and restart the computer. When it is restarted, you need to open boot menu. It will be depend on your computer, F12, ESC or F9. You can search that on the Google. Then you need to select your USB drive for booting. So at the Windows setup screen, you need to press Shift and F10. Then it will be open command prompt options. You can see it is like this. Then after, you need to type this command carefully. So first one is move space C double dot backslash Windows slash system 32 backslash util man dot exe space C double dot backslash Windows backslash system 32 backslash util man dot exe dot bak and hit enter. Then after, you need to type copy space C double dot backslash Windows slash system 32 backslash cmd dot .exe space c double dot / Windows / system32 / utilman.exe and hit enter. Then you need to type wpe util space reboot and hit enter. This will restart your computer. While it is restarting, you need to remove the USB. Then you will go to the login screen. Okay, when it is turned on at the login screen, you need to click the accessibility ease of access icon. Then after, it will open the command prompt. You need to type net space user. This will list all the accounts that is on your computer. Now you need to reset your password, so you need to type net user and your username. You can see using this one. So you need to replace this with your username and your new password. Okay, then after you can close the CMD and you can log into your computer. After login, you need to again open command prompt as the administrator and run. Then you need to type copy c Windows system32 utilman.exe.bak space c / Windows system32.utilman.exe. So this will fix your issue and you can able to log into your system. So if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and like in this video.